In this video, I'll go over how to make $1,133 online using ChatGPT. This is part of my MAP Syndicate series. MAP stands for Master Affiliate Profits. And on this channel, I share a lot of content to show you how to make money online the easy way. And to me, that's using a process, a method called affiliate marketing. And so what I'm going to show you today is how to use YouTube as a way to promote various products. I'm going to show something very specific, but you could apply it to just about any product out there, especially if it has a web presence. So let's talk about that right now and how to use ChatGPT. I'm going to show you this quick demo. So with ChatGPT, I have the free version. I'm actually using a paid version of something called Poe.com. That's from Quora. And ChatGPT has their free version, but it's not connected to the web. So if you're trying to look for Master Affiliate Profits, some new program out there, it's not going to have the content. So what I'm going to do is just press Control A to select all content on this website. Let's go ahead and pick all the content, and then I'll press Control C to copy it. Then I'll go to ChatGPT, and then I'll ask it to assign the content to content. So it's called a variable. So let's say call this content. You could call it whatever name you want, but I have this macro here that will feed in all this content. I just paste in all the content and I'm just calling it content. And then at the bottom, it tells me that it received it. And then what I'll do is I'll say, I'll say list 5 different sales angles. Okay, so we can just pick one of these and then they create an outline on this angle. And I put 5 angles. I could have put 10 if I wanted to, but there's an outline. And then I could talk about these in my video. So what I've showed you so far is the process for creating content. And if you want ChatGPT to help you create content, you could say create 1,000 word article based on that outline. And you still have to proofread this. This is all ChatGPT created, but it's using the content that I fed it. And what you want to do is train it along the way, kind of tell it what you want to add. So for example, I could say that content didn't talk about commissions. Can you create 2 paragraphs on that? And I might have to feed it more content from some of the web pages, and then it'll be able to do that. So there's some content, and I can create content that creates curiosity too. And when you are trying to get attention online, like it's very tough to get attention nowadays. So what you want to do is create a hook. So create a hook for this content. And that's one type of hook. I could say list 5 alternatives that build curiosity and don't provide the features. Focus on benefits. So there are 5 alternatives. I could lead my audience using one of these. That's how I would start off my content. And then the main thing is to get more people to watch your videos, get them to, of course, click on your videos. And the way you get them to click on your videos is that you use thumbnails. So I could ask it to give me some ideas. List 5 YouTube thumbnail ideas for that content. And I could go ahead and create images based on this. And you could use, like, let's say bing.com/create or Microsoft Designer to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos. And you could use these ideas to tell AI to generate images based on this. So those are actually some very easy tips. And what you see here is that I showed you how to create content, showed you how to create or build curiosity for your content and thumbnails. And also, you just have to kind of rinse and repeat and find more topics that are relevant to your audience and publish more content. And I would say that if you have a routine where you're publishing daily or every other day, that's actually a pretty good routine. And then if you want to learn more, you could go to my website, which is mapsyndicate.com, and I provide a lot of information on how to build an affiliate business where you could use ChatGPT especially to build your business faster. So check out mapsyndicate.com and you'll get my guide that is called AI Affiliate Mastery, and you could read through that and learn a lot. Thank you for watching.